go ahead, because I want to shoot mine too, just make sure that everything works.
I need to shoot mine and see how far the range is. Go ahead. There you go.
Did the head fall off?
No. I mean, go ahead.
Take that nice big one right there. Get on my GoPro.
I gotta see my distance. Watch. Yeah, that in mine, I'm gonna try to see that when I'm scanning a ball. Yeah. See that? This thing gives it more spray, but I mean, you just have to be a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Want to try it? Oh, yeah. We can't go crazy though because we need this ammo.
Oh.
Oh, I just cock it again. Oh. There you go. There it is. Oh, yeah. All right, cool. Here you go. All right, let's go. I didn't even see anything move around, fly around.
Nope, nothing even got scared.
Nothing got scared. There's nothing out here.
Yeah.
Nothing out here. All right. All right. Well, it was a good exercise.
Yeah. Alright, I'll shoot one down there, see if anything pops up.
It will. See any movement?
Alright.
There's the road, look. When I was talking down, it goes around like this. So there is, you know, you're not going to get anything. I don't know too close.
I'm good.
Now you're actually keeping it.
Yeah, might as well. I'm on camera, Jojo. I gotta pick up my shells, alright?
Of course. Always. That's what you're so good at.
I hear birds on the left. Worst case scenario, it was a good exercise.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it. What else you gotta go on today after you pick up the kids?
Oh, nothing, man. I'll probably cut some jerky.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you want to roll down a Bass Pro Shop, maybe, dude. You know, I want to pick up some more. Over here.
That one went down, dude. I know. They're over there.
That wasn't us shooting it.
That wasn't us.
There's other people shooting.
People back are shooting. That's what I'm saying. This
Yeah, that wasn't us. That's what I was saying. That wasn't JoJo.
You guys, go this way. Okay, but it's fine. Watch it. They're all in here.
Yeah.
So. I want to see the other one.
Yeah. Cutting through. Yeah, they're staying low. Got him? I don't see him. I saw one. Was it one or two? One. Yeah, he got away. I saw him fly away. He flew low. I thought there was two of them.
You're gonna have to shoot.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see him.
I don't have the distance.
I know. Nah, I missed. Push back.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
You might be pushing this way too. bounce a lot.
Yeah. These are the nice trees right here, like these things.
They're usually going. That's why I kind of want to walk there. Just watch right here.
Yeah.
Cut right. But
does it cut? I don't know, because you got that.
We can make it go around it.
Because it's got that mountain we were under.
Yeah, well, we got to get back this way. Let's just check it. See real quick.
Phil! Phil!
He might be up ahead more. I don't want to lose Phil though.
I know.
Right there, motherfucker.
2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6 of them. Look at them all.
Stop right there.
I know, well, I got a truck behind me. But still, this is the spot. That's what I'm saying. That's really what we should do. Just drive around.
And see when they cross.
See